Hey guys, this is Brett. I'm going to be doing a battery replacement on a Tab 3, the smaller version tablet. It's pretty much similar no matter what version you have, no matter what model number you have. As long as it's a Tab 3, it's going to be very similar. But the trickiest part is getting this backing off. I already went ahead and did it because I was checking some other things with this tablet, but it separates right in here. And you'll want to take like something like a guitar pick. If you're going to use metal, be very careful, but you just kind of go like this and unclip the clips, work your way around all the way around the tablet till it separates, and then you can remove it. Make sure your tablet's off. Quick way to check is by pushing the home button. And so first thing I'm going to do is just unplug this battery right there so it just lifts up. I'm going to go in with a thin tool and pop it up there. Just like that. And after you do that, there's a series of screws. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that hold the battery down. So we'll take all those out here. Okay, should just lift out. If it's not coming, then okay, just take your time and figure out why I just was stuck. So there's that one. I'm gonna replace it with this one here. So okay. So just go ahead and line up your cable and you can snap it back down like that. And we'll re-screw it back in. Okay, I'm gonna get my charger, just make sure that the battery is working as it should be. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. And that's a good sign. Cool, so it looks like it's charging. I'm gonna go and put the backing back on now. Okay, so all we have to do is just put the backing back on, line it up, and then snap it back together. Make sure it's lined up before you do that though. Okay. So I just put the bottom in first and you can go ahead and start snapping the sides and the top in. It's probably about as easy as it gets. The hardest part is what I didn't show was unsnapping this thing. It's probably the hardest part about this fix. Other than that, you can probably handle it. Okay, and we're good to go. Easy as that. Thanks for watching.